Let's walk through installing the IntelliJ Community Edition. The URL on screen there, the bit.ly URL, will take you to whatever the current version of IntelliJ is. Currently, that happens to be 14.1, but even as the versions evolve, that URL should still remain valid. Here we are in our browser, so let's go ahead and put that URL in and get to the IntelliJ page. Hit enter. Just scroll down a little bit here so you can see where we're at. And you see this one page has got both the commercial edition and the community edition. We want to make sure we go ahead and download the community edition. So we'll go ahead and just click on the download button here. Once the download is complete, we can just go ahead and run the installer. So we'll just step through this now. So I'll click next. I'm going to go ahead and accept the default installation folder. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create a desktop shortcut to make it a little easier to find. And also, I've got these associations. So I'm going to go ahead and associate it with .java. So that way, if I just double click on any .java file, it'll automatically open it up inside of IntelliJ. Click next. I'm going to keep all the defaults here on the groups. And now it's off and installing. So my installation is complete. So I'm going to go ahead here and just click this box that says go ahead and run IntelliJ when I exit. So I click finish. I'm going to tell it to not worry about importing any previous settings. So I'm just going to say OK. Now the first time you run it, it wants to ask you how do you want to set it up. Do you want to customize its appearance and everything? I'm going to say just skip all that and just set the defaults. And see now I'm at the starting window. So we now know we have IntelliJ installed as well. And again, in the next module, we'll actually start using this and building some code with it. But we now know we have a successful install.